This is a project that I'm really proud of called OnRamp. It's meant to be a new kind of educational tool and environment for teaching coding. The idea being to have a language that's somewhere between the kind of totally on the rails thing like Scratch and totally free form that people get intimidated by, like JavaScript or Python or Swift or something. So it's a zero config environment, has some cool features around code sharing. Let me just walk you through a couple little quick demos here. So here you can see we've done some turtle graphics. We've set the width and the pen color. We've moved to a location, negative 100, 100. We can totally set the bounds of the frame here. And then you notice we draw a line to the center. And then we set the heading to 45 degrees and we drew another line. We can also do a very simple animation. Here, these are just pre-made code snippets here. So I'll choose a simple animation. So we got Hulk. You'll notice we created the image, right? We added the image to the canvas at a location, which happened to be the center of the screen. And then we animated it to another location. And you'll notice for simplicity, especially for beginning programmers, it is using the center of the image as the origin to move something around. Now we can do a plot, which is going to show some kind of cool coding techniques. You'll notice the graphics are going to get a little bit screwed up because the min and max x and y are going to be totally different here. So we'll do a plot. And you'll notice that there's a sine wave, right? So here we are setting the color and setting the width again. And the bounds, you'll notice we're going, x is from 1 to 360, y is from negative 1.3 to positive 1.3. And here we're demonstrating a range and a looping operation. So from 1 to 360, for each, we're going to get the sine value and plot that. And even more exciting, it's fully object-oriented, right? I've created a whole meta system here. So I'm now going to demonstrate that. I'll do a class definition and call. So you'll notice we're creating a class student with a couple properties. One of the properties happens to be a block of code. You'll notice in the squiggly brackets there, that's going to return a value. Specifically, which is the result of a mathematical operation. Down here outside of that scope, we're assigning a value to variable b of 87. And then we're going to do some prints, right? A.student.new create. Here we're setting, or rather we're printing the value of a/name, which you see currently is no name. And then we're calling GPA on A and printing that value. So you'll notice if you go to the function here, it's going to return the age plus B. So age is not, it's going to be looking for B, and right now in this language as high a scope as it can. So it's going to go right outside that. It finds B that we set to 87. 87 plus 9 is in fact 96, and it prints that out. So this is a project that is very near and dear to me. I think it's pretty cool. You can imagine it's taken up a lot of my time over the past year or two, and I hope you're excited about it too. Thanks a lot.